Hey everybody, it's Scott and Adam with the Knowles Woolsey team at RE/MAX Hallmark J, and today we are back in the Pringle Park subdivision in the heart of Lowry Court. Now there's a ton you're gonna love here, so you're gonna wanna pay attention. Let's start with the location. Absolutely exceptional highway access, just 5 minutes up the road, so the commuters are gonna love this. Not to mention, we're right on the west end of town, so if you wanna get rural in a hurry, we got miles and miles of hiking, biking, ATV, and snowmobile trails. If that's not enough for you, we got a park right next door. Now, let's talk about the court location for a minute. As you can see behind us, absolutely no traffic. Only the folks that live on this street are driving on it. So picture yourself as a kid, road hockey, playing basketball without having to yell car every 5 minutes. You're gonna absolutely love this.
That's right, guys. Now we see a ton of property in our roles as realtors, but few deliver on all fronts like this one does. As Scott mentioned, this location is absolutely exceptional, but the home is not to be outdone as well. We have a 5-year-old Hedbern built all brick 2-story, almost 1,900 square feet of immaculately finished living space. And the beauty about this home being 5 years old, all of the cosmetics as well as all the major ticket items are only 5 years old as well. Nothing to do here but move in and enjoy. Let's take a look at our newest listing. This is 9 Lowry Court.
Welcome inside 9 Lowry Court. Now there's so many finished details here that you're gonna absolutely fall in love with. We've got tile and hardwood floor throughout the entire main level. We've got hardwood staircases, 9-foot ceilings, and entirely open concept designs, a ton of pot lights, plus the paint color is spot on. Literally just move in.
And from the moment you walk in, you'll be dying to entertain once you see how seamlessly this floor plan blends living, dining, and kitchen. Speaking of kitchen, this one is not to be missed. Check out this entertainer's dream. You have an oversized quartz island, upgraded stainless steel appliance package, all overlooking your beautiful backyard.
Welcome to the second level, guys. Now we've got 3 spacious bedrooms up here, plus an ideal spot to work from home. And then come on into this master bedroom. I know you're gonna love it. We got a ton of natural light, absolutely massive walk-in closet, plus a dream ensuite. Check this out.
Dream Ensuite is right. Take a look at this absolutely incredible space. It has everything that you're looking for. Oversized soaker tub, walk-in glass shower, as well as quartz countertops in this bathroom and the others throughout the house. The beautiful part about this home is that the current owners have spent all the money on upgrades, so you don't have to.
But these homeowners didn't stop with spending the money on the inside. As soon as you walk through your sliding glass doors, you've got over 300 square feet of newly laid Unistone patio, not to mention a beautiful fully fenced lot. This is the ideal spot to entertain friends and family.
That's right, and let's not forget about this exceptional lot depth as well. You're over 143 feet deep here. This is a rare find anywhere in the city of Barrie. But if it's not enough outdoor space for you, we're just a stone's or a baseball throw away from Pringle Park.
And just like that, here we are at Pringle Park. Now this is the ideal location. We got a gorgeous park for the little kids, we got sport courts for the older kids, and we got acreage upon acreage of parkland for those 4-legged friends as well. What more could you ask for?
You gotta come check it out for yourself, friends. For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.